So, naplano niyo na yung Christmas party. Yung business. May financial plan na ba? I'm pretty sure sa oras na to, busy na yung mga maraming businesses in planning for their year-end party. Hanap na ng venue, ng catering, may nag-assemble na ng program at saka ng games, naglilista na yung iba ng appliances na ipaparaffle at kung anong hamon yung ipamimigay. Normal yan, go lang. Pero sana, bago matapos ang taon, maglaan din tayo ng oras in building a financial plan for the business, ha? Budgeting, forecasting, cash flow plan, kailangan alam natin kung ano yung magiging itsura ng finances ng kumpanya at the minimum pagdating ng susunod na taon. And the best way to do this is if meron kang maayos na historical numbers na pagbabasihan, hindi yung puro imagination lang. This is where having a robust accounting process supported by an efficient accounting system comes in handy. Kung maayos ang sistema, kumpleto yung numbers, and reliable yung mga numerong gagamitin in creating a plan. Malinaw sa bawat isa kung ano yung mga gagawin para kumita ang kumpanya para mas bongga yung ipaparaffle next year. Baka may malaking bonus pa. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.